Hello, I'm Anna Vanila. Welcome to the channel Anna Vanila Arts. I welcome you. I would like today to show you this collection of finished projects that I've made recently, and this jumper is one of them. As you can see, it's got many colors. I played with colors here, and warmer colors with colder colors. As you can see, the manchette, the sleeves and everything else. It's made of wool, recycled wool. It's actually quite rough wool. It's kind of like carpetish kind of wool, so it's a bit prickly, so it's not smooth, but it's a bit rough. I'm not sure what kind of scrap yarn is this. Is it from making carpets, and they basically bring to my scrap store where I go frequently, and I basically get yarn of different colors. That's why I can't make just one color. I have to play with many colors, because they have different colors, a little bit of different colors. And as you can see, I've done even under the sleeves. I've made this yarn overs, as you can see, yarn overs here and yarn overs here too. Let me show you. Yarn overs here. The pattern for this pullover is quite simple, and anyone could do this, even if you are a beginner. And as you can see, it's stunning. I love the colors. The color combination, I think, which I've chosen is randomly made by myself, and I literally selected the colors that I thought they work together. But on the other hand, I was thinking about doing contrasting colors in this jumper, in this sweater. And as you can see, it's got green colors, it's got pale beige colors, it's got blue, light blue, dark blue, all sorts. And as you can see, I've got yarn overs even here. Yarn overs, and then here the detail of this neckline. As you can see, it's got yarn overs as well, and this is basically something that attracted me first of all to do this pattern. Is actually yarn overs, the way it's so interestingly done, like under the sleeves here and here, on the body and on the edge here and on the neckline. So I would say it did turn out to be possibly better than I thought it's going to become, this jumper, when I was doing the process of this knitting. And I think it's great. I love it. And my mother was wearing it into town, and a lot of people were complimenting her when she was wearing it. So I'm glad that she likes it and other people love it too, and I am appreciative for the result. So thank you very much for watching this. This is already the second pullover. As you can see, has got different color combinations. It's more grayish in color with slight deep red in here and even black here. I've chosen these colors for contrast. As you can see, the pattern for this sweater, for this pullover, is the same as the previous one, and you can see yarn overs even on the sleeves here, on the manchette, and here, and so on. So it's got different color combination. It's more gray than any other color. The previous one was more blue than this one, and I think it's fantastic. I love the color combination. I like how it turned out, and you can see yarn overs here, and here. There are kind of like elements in this jumper that really it's comfortable and beautiful to wear. And there is some gray colors here, plus green color tone here at the bottom and on the sleeve yet again. And I absolutely love it. And this jumper, this pattern, the pattern for this jumper was made especially for beginners, and which helps you with yarn overs to be able to do increases and decreases, which is very handy when you're a knitter and you want to learn how to knit a jumper. And I absolutely adored this technique in this jumper, and that's why I've made 3 jumpers like this. I have made white jumper exactly like this in this pattern, but just one color tone, which is white. And I'm doing at the moment green jumper, which is the same technique as here, with yarn overs. As you can see, it's here at 2, and it just looks fantastic. I don't know, I'm just so attracted to this pattern that I fell in love with this pattern so much so that no matter how many jumpers I would do, I would just vary the colors and everything, but do and copy the same design over and over again until I'm totally sick to do same thing every time. So I have something else in mind to do soon, another pullover with different color tones, different pattern, with a pattern that is already on my website for a hat, but I'm going to do it for a pullover, and it will not be from top down, but it will be from bottom up, and it will be absolutely looking stunning and different to this, different to what I've done before. So I'm really keen to start on this project soon and then share it with you, how I make it. This is my third and the last jumper I've made with this pattern, and it's made from scrap yarn. As you can see, I had to do different color tones because I don't have much of each kind of yarn. To do one sweater in just one color tone is impossible, so I varied the colors to make it look like it's actually done. Even colors, and the colors to be enough to finish the project nicely, and to be even from side to side, especially on the sleeves. And as you can see, the color combination is fantastic. I'm absolutely in love with this deep brown, and this is mustardy color, which is quite nice. I love it. This is sort of like the color of a tree. It's quite nice. And at the top it's a mustardy color with combination of a blue. These are the sleeves. There is detail in the sleeve as well here, with yarn overs, here, yarn overs here. I absolutely love this jumper and I think it's great. This is actually my favorite jumper in this collection of this pattern that I've made. I think this jumper is the most successful. I don't know, it's just, it makes me like this jumper more. Have no idea why, but I think it's fantastic. I do love the colors I've chosen here. I do like how it sits on the body. I do like how it turned out, and it looks even and quite clean, and even colors and all sorts. I think it's fantastic. I'm absolutely in love with this jumper. Even in the summer I think I will be wearing it. The interesting thing, it's made of scrap yarn, and this scrap yarn is a bit scratchy, so you need to wear something underneath it to make sure it does not give you any allergy, any scratching from this wool. I think this wool is actually the remainings of carpets they were doing and bringing to the scrap store, where is situated not far from me, from where I live. And the jumper is fantastic. I think even if the yarn is scrapped, it's still nice to recycle something and to make something cool as this, and people love it too. They think it's fantastic when I wear it or when my mom wears it. Thank you very much for watching and subscribing. These are my free jumpers. As you can see, the colors are different. This is my one jumper, this is my second and the third jumper. Sorry, I have run out of battery and I had to replace it and recharge it again. These are the sleeves, as you can see, of one jumper. This is the second, this is the third. You can write in the comments which one you like most, which one you think it's more successfully done, made more successfully, and looking prettier. And I totally love this one. Absolutely love the colors of this one. mustardy colors. I like the blue version as well. I like the gray version here. So as you can see, these are the 3 jumpers where I've made the same pattern, and I just did in different colors, and they look different, like it's different pattern rather than the same, but all in all it's like a new jumper again, and it's fantastic, and it's like wearing 3 different jumpers, and I absolutely adore this, how it turned out. Hopefully you're going to love it as well. So please leave in the comments which one you like the most, and what kind of videos would you like to see on my channel. It will be fantastic if you can share it with me. What kind of video would you like to see on my channel? That would be great for me, and for you to comment below. I'll be very appreciative. And thank you very much for subscribing and for watching, and see you soon in my next couple of videos where I'm making and sharing with you all that I make in this last couple of weeks. And I'm going to share with you as usual, so hopefully you can show me and share what you do in your crafting days. So thank you very much for watching and subscribing, and see you soon in the next couple of videos. Bye bye, love you lots. Bye.